Hey guys, it's Dale with eInsurance and your quirky question of the week. This week it's a good question. We almost didn't choose it because it includes our services in particular. But the question is, what's the best way to purchase insurance? So we're actually going to tackle that from a different angle. So not the best way, but what ways are available to you, right? Because there's so many different factors for every person's situation that something that may work for one person or for one type of insurance may not be the best for a different type. So there are essentially three ways. You can go directly, right? So a lot of people do that with the larger insurers, whether it be a Progressive, and this is for auto or home, Progressive, Geico, things like that. You go directly to their site, you get a quote, you get insurance. A more traditional way may be through a insurance agent, right? Our parents or grandparents, quite often back in the day, I bet in the 60s and 70s, this was probably the prime way to go get insurance. You'd consult with kind of an agent. They'd handle your auto, your life, your home, your health, anything you needed, all your insurance needs. And then there's kind of the newer way, which eInsurance does, which is basically a digital insurance site, right? An intermediary that's online that can connect you with multiple insurers, right? There are a couple caveats or a couple nuggets that I'd share with you. Some of the benefits with going to kind of a third party, not directly to an insurer, is that they're not tied to any one company, right? So it's an unbiased third party just literally showing you the data, right? Presenting to you your different insurance options. It's not that they are being paid by any one insurer. They're not tied or owned by any one insurer. In fact, they probably don't care what insurer you go with as long as you're covered. They just want to present you with information so that you can make the best decision. Typically, what we would suggest is before you even make a decision, arm yourself with as much information as possible. The best and easiest way to do that is to either go through an agent, right? Because an agent can provide you with information on several different carriers, or going to a quote comparison site similar to eInsurance.com. That way, before you even make a decision, you've created a market, you've digested information, you've read information on any questions you may have regarding that particular insurance, and as a result, you'll make a better decision. This also changes by type of insurance, right? So auto insurance, pretty cut and dry, unless you're a high risk individual and you need an SR22 or you've got a DUI or something like that, you might be okay going directly to a carrier. But if you're looking for commercial insurance, health insurance, life insurance, anything that's a bit more complicated, that takes a bit of time in filling out the application, you may be better off going to a third party, digesting a bit of information, and then looking for quotes. I hope that addresses the answer. I know there's no best way, but we did want to share kind of the options that are available to you. That's our quirky question of the week. Remember, send your questions to questions@einsure.com, and we'll talk to you next week. Take care.